Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add Twitter to your YouTube channel. Firstly, sign in your YouTube channel studio. Now scroll down and click on customization. Now here click on basic info. Here the option add links to sites that you want to share with your viewers. Click on add link. Link title like Twitter. Now open Twitter account. Log in your Twitter account. Now here enter your Twitter account URL. For example, twitter.com/techproadvice. Now click on publish. So enter link title and URL. Now click on go to channel. So this way guys, people can add Twitter account to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.